Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Terror suspect Afzal Khan has links with terror outfits, reveals police investigation. Mumbai ATS in Goa to probe Afzal. Suspect links of Afzal with Pune blast. State withdraws IAS delegatory powers given to centre. CM takes tussle with centre to the next level, says B Vijayan is CS. Centre's man unacceptable. No need of centre's permission to handle dumps. Parrikar tells Union Environment Minister, says illegal mining cases and questionable environment clearance by centre will be probed by Lokayukta. BJP demands judicial probe into a coal gate scam. Starts awareness drive in Goa. Demands cancellation of all coal block allotments. And India look to make it 3 titles in a row in the Nehru Cup. Clifford Miranda and Denzel Franco say India ready for Cameroon. Final showdown on Sunday. At first, the news in detail. Police investigation has revealed that the terror suspect Afzal Khan has links with some dreaded terror outfits. Police are also probing his links with the Pune bomb blast that happened on the 1st of August. ATS of Mumbai is down in Goa to interrogate Afzal. 5 SIM cards of 5 different mobile companies have been recovered from him.
Afzal Khan, the terror suspect arrested by Goa police, has links with the terrorist outfit. These facts came to light during his interrogation. Mumbai anti-terrorist squad is in Goa to interrogate Afzal. He allegedly had hidden motives to have blasts in Goa at religious and touristic spots. Revelations till now, Afzal Khan had 5 SIM cards. SIM cards from different companies. Companies operating outside Goa and Maharashtra. Investigation of the SIM cards in progress. Police suspect his links with the Pune bomb blast. Afzal's investigation has further revealed Goa police squad in Pune, Afzal's contacts traced in Pune, police to investigate Afzal's contacts in Pune, Mumbai ATS in Goa to probe the case. Afzal's Facebook account and email ID are also checked. Touristic season is about to begin in Goa. Ife preparations are also at its peak, plus Feast of St. Francis Xavier and the New Year Bash. To avoid any untoward situation, Goa police are investigating the case in detail. Reporter Surendra Matkaikar for Prudent.
The Goa government has recently withdrawn the IAS delegatory powers of the Ministry of Home Affairs. The Chief Secretary of Goa had previously delegated these powers to the Ministry of Home Affairs for their ease. Now, after this move, no IAS officer would be posted to Goa without the consent of the state government.
In a recent move, the Goa government has withdrawn all the powers of the Ministry of Home Affairs to delegate IAS officers in the state. The Chief Minister previously had rejected an IAS officer sent by the Ministry of Home Affairs for the post of Chief Secretary of Goa. Later, the CM himself appointed B Vijayan as the Chief Secretary. The move of the centre stopping the Goa government from appointing the CS Suomoto has triggered a cold war between the CM of Goa and the centre now.
Chief Secretary आपल्यो पावरी काडून सेंट्रलाक दिल्ल्यो टू अपॉइंट एनी ऑफिसर टू बी मेक इट इजी नाल्यार तांकांय वचचें पडटलें परतें जावचें पडटलें दिल्ली सो इट इज अ डेलिगेटेड पावर लास्ट म्हयन्याक जेन्ना ते मातशी शाणपणां करूंक लागले सांगून आयकना जालें तेन्ना आय हॅव विड्रॉन देट डेलिगेटेड पावर त्यामुळे तांकां आतां म्हाका विचारल्या शिवाय हांगा ऑफिसर पोस्ट करपाक येना पयली गजाल दुसरी ते ऑफिसर आमचे कडेन धाडटा ते पोस्ट करिना पोस्टींग हांव करता तुमचे ऑफिसर हांगा येवन रिपोर्ट करता म्हाका रिपोर्ट करता आय नीड नॉट पोस्ट हिम उदाहरण तुका सांगता तिगचोक जाण हांवें तशें हुमकळून दवरलेले कारण देर वॉज सम रिजन्स फॉर इट एकट्या भितर मातशी मस्ती केली एक्सर्सायज ताका हांवें काडलो आनी तसो दवरलो पळय अवेटींग पोस्टींग करपाचो अधिकार हो म्हजो आतां हरशीं तांकां धाडपाचो अधिकार आशिल्लो पोस्टिंगाचो अधिकार तांकां केन्नाच ना पोस्टींग हांवूच करता आय एम द ऑथॉरिटी आनी तांकां ते धाडटाले आतां तोय काडलो हांवें पोस्टिंग करपाचो अधिकार होम मिनिस्टराक नालो चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ द स्टेट
चीफ सेक्रेटरी अपॉइंट करपाचो अधिकार पूर्णपणे तुमचो
तांच्यांनी कितें विचारला हांगा तूं की तुमी 80,000 पेक्षा सकयल्या स्केलीचो ऑफिसर कसो अपॉइंट केलो उत्तर वाचला का फाल्यां फाल्यां का परवा वतले
म्हणजे प्रेझेंट चीफ सेक्रेटरी विल रिमेन
Absolutely. There is a vested interest who is trying to spread rumor that he will go. Absolutely nothing doing. He is the chief secretary. पहिली सुरवातीक तांच्यांनी प्रयत्न केलो की तो acting chief secretary म्हणून सांगपाचें. He is not acting. He is full-time chief secretary. He is appointed for the full tenure of minimum 3 years.
The CM says the powers were delegated to ease the burden of the Chief Secretary of attending constant meetings in the centre. The CM has also clarified that the present Chief Secretary is appointed on a permanent posting and is not an acting CS. The CM's brawl with the centre is possibly going to worsen after this move. Our reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Sushant Par.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has periled the Union Environment and Forest Ministry on mining dump issue. He has denied need of any authorization from the centre to clear mining dumps. He has hinted at corruption in granting environmental clearances by the Union Ministry. He has addressed a letter to the Minister Jayanti Natarajan informing his move to hand over the issue of illegal mining to Lokayukta for further investigation.
Union Ministry had written to the state government that if mining dumps are to be cleared, then the state would have to seek permission from the centre. It also hinted towards illegal handling of dumps in Goa. Parrikar had replied to these allegations in harsh words. Solicitor General of India has opined that the existing dumps does not require fresh clearance from the Union Ministry. Existing dumps cannot be added to the production of ore mentioned in the environmental clearance. Advocate General has clearly opined that no environmental clearance under the Act is required while removal of mineral ore dump. Not just this, Parrikar has threatened the Union Ministry to probe into the illegalities committed while granting environmental clearances. Government has mentioned how it will go ahead with probe into illegal mining. Appointment of Lokayukta in process, investigation of illegal mining by Lokayukta, questionable ECs to be probed by the Goa government. Prudent is in possession of the letter addressed to Jayanti Natarajan. After all this, one thing is for sure, that state government is all set to clear the mining dumps even if there is objection from the centre. Reporter Pratik Parab with video journalist Sushant Pol.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.